let us first put everything in the proper and accurate, no, na perspective. Yesterday, we had a meeting, and we were very thankful for the presence of Councilor Joy Esquera, of course, the Vice Mayor, Raymond Garcia, and Jojo Labelia. And in one of the requests, well, Councilor Joy said wish list. The first one was, since dili ingon nga sila mo inihangyo, ako ini unag offer nga mutabang lang punta pagpaayo sa grandstand kung na ay mga ayuhonon kay anyway, all out effort man ta para sa Sinulog. And she was very happy. So sige go, because you know we need kanang plywood, kanang, in fact I immediately instructed our head sa maintenance nga ato adayon tanawa kay some of the toilets might need to be serviced nga na ay mga lingkuranan sa grandstand tingali ayuhonon. Later on, during the conversation, padayon ng meeting, Councilor Pesquera said, Gob, is it possible that the top 5 will perform, that means mo contest o appeal, kay mao man na ang matawag nato nga usual nilang pamaagi. Mo appeal as competing contingents in the, what do you, this is the Mardi Gras mismo, no? And my answer to that actually was the expression, or shall we say, mao na to ang gikasabutan sa tanan in a previous meeting, not yesterday, our very first meeting, where before we proceeded with organizing the Sinulog sa lalawigan nga diri sa Abiliana, gitag sa tagsa usa nato pangutana tanan choreographers, ang tanan mayors ug ang representatives of the mayors. And all of them were one in saying adto sila sa Abiliana mo perform because lain-lain ang mga rason. Una sa tanan, well, init kaayo sa SRP o mahadlok sila sa ilang mga performers. Ikaduha, well, you could see nga karon pa nagsugod ang preparations, and also the real venue manggod nga naagid ang mga katawhan di ama sa Abiliana. Daghan kato sila rason. Why maski usa? At that time 17, karon 18 naman ta ka contingents. At that time 17. Walay maski usa niingon nga ganahan mi sa SRP. So it was the unanimous decision of all of the contingents that they would rather perform sa Abiliana. Now, I am aware that in the past, sa Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Lalawigan, kung kisa to ang mga winners, paapilon, or ang winner, paapilon as contingent. But at that time, we had no participation, ang province of Cebu. Ang DepEd to, ang nagpahigayon. If you would recall, ang DepEd na mo ay mo-organize sa ilang mga contingents. So this time, since grabe ang participation ron sa province, in fact, giving a 2 million subsidy per contingent, including those that are not under the province of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City, and even Lumad Basakanon of Cebu City. Tag 2 million na. Lakip sad ang Mandawi City ug ang ubang mga lungsod. 2.5 para sa atong mga island municipalities. And we are also giving the prizes, which is 3 million for the first, 2 million sa second, 1 million nausab na di ay. Okay, instead of top 3, nangayo, ang choreographers ang top 5. So, 1.5 sa third, 750 sa fourth, and then 1 million, ang fourth, 1 million, and then 750 ang fifth. I precisely decided nga province ang mo contribute this much for the prices because I already knew the sentiments of our contingents that they would rather not perform sa SRP. And kung di ko mo appeal, dili mo appeal ang province sa paghatag sa prices nila, and it would have to be ang city or ang Sinulog Foundation, they might feel obligated. Mapugo sila. And I don't want to put them in a difficult situation. Pero ingon nga i-bar, no, I was answering for them.
It wasn't your decision.
It was not my decision. From the very beginning, so Sunstar, please be more accurate. This is precisely why I have set up Sugbo News. Because it depends on the reporter. I think si Chiking Ciares sent me a message murag pila ka days ago. I'd like to read this. Wa man kay ko to mo react, but I think he knew what I was saying.